Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope all are doing good. So in this video, I would like to share insights on Generative AI project. So recently, I have attended Generative AI mega workshop conducted by Nxtwave. So from that workshop, I got to know about some awesome AI tools like large language model, LangChain, Gradio, Hugging Face, and PlayHT, and OpenAI APIs. So etc. So using that APIs, I have built generative AI application that is my own speech bot and chatbot. So let us understand how these tools have helped me to build this project and how this project works. This is Hugging Face. So it is a open source community where machine learning people collaborates on models, data sets, and applications. So here is my generative AI speech bot and chatbot. So let us explore this one by one. So let us see chatbot first. So this is the generative AI chatbot. So let us see the code. So here we have imported some required libraries like Gradio, OS, and LangChain. So Gradio is a open source Python library. It helps to create interactive user interfaces very quickly, and it is specifically designed for generative AI models. And next one is LangChain. So LangChain, it's a Python framework designed to simplify the creation of applications like using large language models, and it is mainly used to build chat based applications. So let us see the how the project works. So here is the AI chatbot. So let us see how it works by giving some prompts like hi, who is the PM of India. So we got the response as of my knowledge, the current Prime Minister of India is Narendra Modi. So this is how AI chatbot works, generative AI chatbot works. So let us see how generative AI voice bot works. So let us see, first of all, let us see the code. So this is the required code for this project. So here we have imported some required Python libraries. So let us see how this generative AI speech bot works by giving some prompt like hi, hi, tell me something, something about Python in two lines or in one line. So we got the response. So let us listen this.
Python is a simple programming language known for its simplicity and reliability.
So this is about my generative AI speech bot. So this is a brief explanation about my project. So thank you for watching.